Hello learners and welcome to this exciting session on types of semiconductor chips. Semiconductor chips are the backbone of modern electronics, powering everything from smartphones to supercomputers. But did you know that not all the chips are same? Some are designed for high speed computing while others are optimized for flexibility and low power consumption. In this video, we'll break down the different types of semiconductor chips and help you understand where and why they are used in real world applications. What you will learn today. Key learnings of this video are what are semiconductor chips and why they are important. Different types of semiconductor chips and ASIC versus FPGA, how do they compare in design, flexibility and performance. And when to choose and how to choose ASIC and FPGA. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of semiconductor chips and how they shape the future of technology. Let's get started, but before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos on VLSI and semiconductor design. Alright, let's begin and let's simplify.
Coming like a Hellcat.
Imagine waking up one day and finding that your smartphone, laptop, and even your car have stopped working. No internet, no digital assistant, and no smart devices. Sounds like nightmare, right? Well, the truth is none of these modern innovations would exist without semiconductor chip. But what makes these tiny chips so powerful and why they are called brains behind technology? Let's break it down. Unlike the bulky electrical circuits of the past, semiconductor chips are built using silicon, a material that can intelligently control electrical signals, which means they don't just conduct electricity, they process, amplify, and store information, making them the driving force behind modern electronics. Where are they used? So, these chips are literally everywhere, transforming industries and shaping the future. In computers and smartphones, they handle complex calculations and high speed processing, giving us a lightning fast devices. In AI and IoT, they make smart automation possible from voice assistant to a self-learning system. In automobile and space technology, advanced driver assistance system that is ADAS and space navigation rely on these chips for precision and safety. In medical devices and healthcare, from MRI machines to a wearable health monitor, these chips power life-saving technologies. From your pocket-sized smartphone to the most advanced space mission, semiconductor chips are silently running the world. But how do they work? What makes them so efficient? Let's dive deeper. Alright, now that we know how important semiconductor chips are, let's take a step back and really understand what they are. Think of a semiconductor chip is a brain of electronic device. Just like our brain which processes information, makes decision and stores memory. Chips do the same. They process, store and transfer data, making sure everything works smoothly from sending a text message to running complex AI algorithm. But what makes them so special? Why can't we use a regular electrical circuits instead? Well, the traditional circuits are big, bulky and not very efficient. But what about semiconductor chips? They are tiny, fast and incredibly powerful. They build using silicon and other semiconductor materials which allows them to control electrical signals in a highly efficient way. Now let's talk about what makes these chips unique. Just like I told you before, they are made up of silicon and other semiconductor materials which allows them to efficiently control electrical signals. They are designed for specific tasks, some handle processing like CPU and other manages memory and some control communication between different hardware components. They can be custom designed for specific application or reconfigurable for flexibility in hardware device. Let's break it down even further. Imagine you are using a smartphone, opening an app. A chip is processing that request. You are saving a file and another chip is handling the memory storage and you are trying to connect to Wi-Fi. Yep, a chip is enabling that communication too. Everything happening inside an electronic device is controlled by different types of chips, each designed for specific task. Everything in the modern electronics runs on these tiny and powerful chips working seamlessly in the background. So, in simple terms, semiconductor chips are the brains behind every modern device, making them smarter, faster, and more efficient. Now that we understand what semiconductor chips are, let's explore their different types. Not all the chips are same. Depending on their design, functionality, and purpose, we can categorize them into different types. ASICs, FPGAs, microprocessors, microcontrollers, and memory chips. ASICs. These are custom built for specific function and offer high performance. You will find them in AI processors, network devices, and smartphones. FPGAs. Think of these as reconfigurable chips. Unlike ASICs, FPGAs can be modified after manufacturing, making them perfect for prototyping, AI applications, and aerospace systems. Microprocessors and microcontrollers. These are the workhorses of computing. Microprocessors (MPU), designed for general purpose computing, requires external memory and peripherals. Examples are like Intel and AMD CPUs. So when we are building a new PC using this microprocessor, we require RAM, ROM, and other peripherals also. Coming to microcontrollers (MCU), a compact, self-contained chip with CPU, memory, and input-output blocks used in embedded systems. I hope you are aware of Arduino, where we don't need any external memory or other peripherals. We just need to upload a program to its inbuilt memory and it will work. Coming to memory chips, these are responsible for storing and retrieving data. Everything from RAM and SSD in your laptop to the UFS storage room in your smartphone relies on these memory chips. But let's not just list them, let's dive into each one and see what makes them special. Let's start with ASIC or application specific integrated circuits. ASICs are precision engineered machines built specifically for a task. Once designed, they cannot be modified, but their speed and efficiency make them the go to choice for high performance applications. So, what makes ASIC special? They are optimized for performance. Every transistor is designed to maximize efficiency. They consume less power. They're great for battery powered devices. They are compact and high speed, so ideal for mass production. But there is a catch. ASICs takes long time to develop and require a huge upfront cost. Once fabricated, they cannot be changed. So if you need flexibility, you are out of the luck. Where do we find ASICs? Inside your smartphone, which handles everything from image processing to the power management. In gaming GPUs, it delivers ultra fast graphics rendering. AI accelerators like Google TPU powering deep learning models. ASICs are perfect for finalized design where speed and power efficiency matters most. But what if we need flexibility? That's where FPGA comes in. This is where we will wrap up part 1. But we are not done yet. There is still more to explore. In the next part, we will continue diving deeper into the semiconductor chips and their role in modern electronics. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Hit the like button if you found this useful and share it with your friends who want to learn VLSI. See you in the next video. Bye.